Hi, this is Hadas from Canva, and I'd like to introduce to you the new D-iD's NUI revolution. NUI, Natural User Interface. Just imagine a world where technology doesn't just respond, but it also makes a conversation with you and understands you. I had the privilege of giving it a go and trying out the new D-iD agent. I've used my Canva skills to combine the two and create this video just for you. Are you ready to face the future? Here we go. So I've opened up a Canva document and I just head over down here to Magic Write, Canva's AI tool that creates content for you. So I wrote just a short summary about who I am and what I do and hit the generate button. And there it is. A little too short? No problem. Head back down to Canva Assistant and ask Canva to expand. Now just head over to Share and download this as a PDF document. So let's head over to D-iD's Studio. So I've picked my avatar. Give my agent name, agent voice, and agent instructions. Now hit Next and upload your PDF file. And now let's start the conversation. Hi, what is it exactly that you do?
I offer Canva workshops and masterclasses to help you improve your design skills. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, I'll teach you tips and tricks to create stunning designs using Canva's powerful tools and features. Let's make some magic happen with Canva.
What can you design using Canva?
With Canva, you can design a wide range of things such as social media graphics, presentations, posters, logos, flyers, and more. The possibilities are endless. Let me know if you need help with any specific design project.
How can you assist me and my team to design better our visual content using Canva?
I offer Canva workshops and masterclasses to help your team improve their design skills and create stunning visual content. Let's unlock your team's creative potential and make your design stand out.
Do I need any prior experience? Is it difficult to design with Canva?
No prior experience is needed to design with Canva. It's user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for beginners. I'll guide you through the process and teach you all the tips and tricks to create amazing designs. Let's get started.
I love it. I hope you liked it too. I'd love to hear what you thought about it in the comments below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.